We live in a world where we believe we are in control of every detail. But the truth is, nature hides another face behind its calm beauty. In a single moment, the scene can shift from total tranquility to a struggle for survival, governed by nothing but instinct.
Whoa, look at that thing.
The cat's not letting it pass.
Listen to that hiss.
It's turning away.
Oh, look at him up there. He thinks he's so brave. Wow!